You walk into your home after a long, stressful day, and instead of feeling relaxed, the clutter around you only adds to your anxiety. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But what if I told you that with just a few simple changes, you could transform your living space into a haven of calm that actually helps reduce your anxiety? Stick around, because today, I'm going to share some practical tips on how to create an anxiety-friendly home that brings peace and tranquility into your life. 1. Understanding the connection between your environment and anxiety. Let's start by talking about how your environment affects your mental health. It's no secret that our surroundings can have a big impact on how we feel. A cluttered, chaotic space can increase feelings of stress and anxiety, while a clean, organized environment can promote a sense of calm and well-being. Think of your home as a reflection of your mind. When your space is cluttered, it can feel like your thoughts are cluttered too. This is because visual clutter can overstimulate your brain, making it harder to relax. On the other hand, an organized space can help clear your mind and make it easier to focus on what truly matters. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a professional organizer to create a calm and anxiety-friendly home. With a few intentional changes, you can turn your living space into a sanctuary that supports your mental health. 2. Decluttering. Less is more. The first step in creating an anxiety-friendly home is to declutter. Now, I know that decluttering can feel overwhelming, especially if you've accumulated a lot of stuff over the years. But remember, the goal isn't to create a perfect minimalist home. It's to create a space that makes you feel calm and at ease. Start small. Choose one area of your home, like a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room, and focus on that. Go through each item and ask yourself, does this add value to my life? Does it make me feel good? If the answer is no, it might be time to let it go. As you declutter, you'll likely notice an immediate reduction in your anxiety levels. This is because letting go of unnecessary items can create a sense of control and order in your life, which is incredibly important for managing anxiety. 3. Organizing with intention. Everything in its place. Once you've decluttered, the next step is to organize what's left. But this isn't just about putting things in boxes or on shelves. It's about creating a system that makes your home work for you, not against you. One of the keys to anxiety-friendly organization is to make sure that everything has a designated place. When items are stored in specific locations, it's easier to find what you need, and you're less likely to feel overwhelmed by clutter. Consider the areas in your home where you spend the most time. Is there a spot where you often lose things, or where clutter tends to accumulate? Focus on these areas first. For example, if your entryway is always a mess of shoes, bags, and coats, invest in some hooks, a shoe rack, or storage bins to keep things organized. Another tip is to use clear containers for storage. Being able to see what's inside can reduce the stress of searching for items, and also helps keep your belongings neat and tidy. Labeling containers can also be a big help, especially for items that you don't use every day. 4. Creating calm spaces. The power of minimalism. Now that you've decluttered and organized, it's time to think about how you can create calm spaces in your home. One of the most effective ways to do this is through minimalism. But don't worry, you don't have to go full minimalist to see the benefits. Minimalism is about simplicity and intention. It's about surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy and letting go of the rest. This can be especially helpful for managing anxiety, as a minimalist space reduces visual distractions and promotes a sense of peace. Start by simplifying your decor. Choose a few pieces that you love and that have meaning to you, and let them be the focal points of your room. Avoid overloading your space with too many decorations, as this can create a sense of chaos. Next, consider the color palette of your home. Soft, neutral colors are known to have a calming effect, while bright, bold colors can be stimulating. If your walls are currently painted in vibrant hues, you might want to consider switching to more subdued tones. You can still add pops of color with accessories like pillows, rugs, or artwork, but keeping the overall palette neutral can help create a more serene environment. 5. Incorporating nature. Bringing the outdoors in, nature has a powerful effect on our mental health. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress and anxiety, so why not bring some of those benefits into your home? One of the easiest ways to incorporate nature into your home is by adding plants. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also add a sense of life and vitality to your space. If you're new to houseplants, start with something low maintenance like a snake plant, pothos, or succulents. These plants are easy to care for and can thrive in a variety of conditions. In addition to plants, you can also bring in natural elements like wood, stone, or water features. Consider incorporating a wooden coffee table, a stone vase, or even a small indoor fountain to add a touch of nature to your home. These elements can create a grounding effect, helping you feel more connected to the earth and less overwhelmed by the stresses of daily life. Another way to bring nature indoors is through natural light. Make the most of the sunlight in your home by keeping windows clean and unobstructed. If you have heavy curtains, consider swapping them out for lighter, sheer ones that let more light in. Natural light not only boosts your mood, but it also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. 6. Personalizing your space. Make it your own. Your home should be a reflection of you, your tastes, your experiences, and what makes you feel good. Personalizing your space is a key step in creating an environment that reduces anxiety and promotes well-being. One way to do this is by displaying items that have personal meaning to you. This could be anything from family photos, travel souvenirs, or pieces of art that resonate with you. Surrounding yourself with these items can provide a sense of comfort and familiarity, making your home feel like a true sanctuary. Another aspect of personalization is creating spaces that cater to your specific needs. If you love reading, for example, consider setting up a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair, good lighting, and a shelf of your favorite books. If you enjoy cooking, organize your kitchen in a way that makes meal prep easy and enjoyable. Think about the activities that help you unwind and make sure your home supports them. Whether it's a yoga corner, a craft space, or a spot to meditate, having a dedicated area for relaxation can do wonders for your mental health. 7. Maintaining the calm. Keep it going. Now that you've created an anxiety-friendly home, the final step is to maintain it. This might be the most challenging part, especially if you have a busy lifestyle, but it's also the most important. Start by establishing a regular cleaning and decluttering routine. Set aside time each week to tidy up, put things back in their designated places, and get rid of any items that are no longer serving you. This doesn't have to be a huge task. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. 8. Your path to a calmer home. Creating an anxiety-friendly home isn't about achieving perfection. It's about making intentional choices that help you feel calm, organized, and at peace. By decluttering, organizing, embracing minimalism, and incorporating elements of nature, you can transform your living space into a place that truly supports your mental well-being. Remember, your home is your sanctuary. It's the place where you can recharge, relax, and be yourself. So take the time to make it a space that reflects who you are and what you need. With a little effort and intention, you can create a home that not only looks good but feels good too.